The same carbon fiber technology used to repair bridges is now available to the pool industry from the leak solution experts at Anderson. The pool crack stitch is a crack repair option that features a simple process and provides superior strength. Saw cut across the crack, no drilling needed. Cut 1 1/4 inches into the concrete. Clean out the crack and fill it with an approved anchoring epoxy. Install the crack stitch vertically into the saw cut and spread out extra epoxy. This extra epoxy should be ground off or roughed up before plaster is applied. Carbon fiber will never rust or corrode. The high tensile strength of carbon fiber is shown here in this crack stitch versus steel staple comparison video. When the tension is applied like it's used in a pool, the crack stitch is stronger than the concrete itself. By distributing the load across the whole stitch, the weak spots found at the end of a staple are eliminated. While steel is perceived to be strong, the steel staple used here sheared off at its weak point and was not stronger than the concrete itself. When installed properly, the pool crack stitch displays superior strength. With the low cost, the simple process, and the superior strength, the pool crack stitch is the best option to reinforce pool cracks and add value to your pool remodels. Go to leaktools.com for more information.